for a monster. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you later.
Sorry, was that open the gate?
Yeah.
Oh, that is warm as all buggery. I promised Alex, if you're watching, I wouldn't swear in this video. I don't make any promises. Righto, let's get back into it, eh? Unfortunately, we've been copping a bit of rain for the last day and a half, so we've got Friday night packed into tonight and then also Saturday, so that's a busy day for us. Introduce us all to Cairns Speedway or Lake Speedway and more marshlands, all the wetlands. I gotta admit, that's a pretty sick do-rag you got going on there. Send her up straight up to the wall. Yep, come back down. Alright, hard rock right. Start having a look, eh? Oh, right, yeah. Pull that rope down tight. Yep. Righto, Cody, take her around. Yeah. After this race, scrape them walls, eh?
You're in somewhere, right? Straight onto the pad. The two, only got two more.
Yep.
They're up on the...
That's a nice set of nuts you got there, mate.
Straight after this one, guys. Stop.
Yeah, boys all know we're onto it.
Go, hey.
Yeah, I know. Hey, you like me nuts?
I've got two good ones
Please don't be stuck. Yeah, that's it. Give it some.
Yeah.
Give it some. No, not you. Hey, sorry about that window, TJ. It's a bit muddy. Well, hello there. Oh, the keys. That'll brighten up my day. Oh. Big joke.
What's going on?
Hello.
My tow truck?
Yeah. Yeah, your other lover is currently waiting for you.
Who's my other lover?
Cody. Cody. Cody with long hair like mine, but I'm more handsome. Kayla's driving past going, sucked in, Daddy. I'm going to win this. Uppies. Isolators off yet? Come here. All yours, Cody. That's a cut. What up? Up.
You have to get a tow truck, Spitty.
Ah, shit. Alright, Cody, drag him onto the infield. We're going to have to do something about this. Right rear's cooked. Pedal, Cody, if you can.
Look, mate, I think we need to be cars on track at 5:30, like we said, for the night show.
Okay, mate, because we only got one more round of heat. Bit chaotic up here.
Hey?
Bit chaotic up here.
Come. Righto, mate. Up. Yeah, go. Oh, no. Oh, what? Oh, that sucked.
I thought he was going to go over.
When he just took off then, just got sprayed. Oh. I can see it.
All good for Joel Berkeley, he's out for this one.
Aww.
Okay, thank you. Pull up down in the pits, blocking up me.
Can you let that 53 out, please?
Please.
Back.
Yeah?
Let the 53 out. Give that.
No.
No! It's Big Jacob, Big Drew!
The OGs are back.
Hey!
There you go.
OG,
I love your new shirt.
yeah, bro.
You already got mud on it too. Come on, do it.
I put the other one on and I was like, oh wow, the wind's going to take me.
No, that's why I put the legacy shirt on.
Right before the features, buddy, eh?
Yeah, mate, I'm ready to go.
Hello, Cody. Coming. Where them toll boys at? Hey. Hello, young man.
Drivers know on turn 2 there's no yellow light at the moment. On turn 2 no yellow light, so we're looking at it, but they'll have to listen to their one way and they won't see it on the exit of 2.
Bring it in here, brother, bring it in. What's the camera for?
Just don't swear on
In the
it.
next junior there?
Don't swear, whatever
Turn
you
them out,
do.
mate. Brooksy, you'll just get...
I'm already up to $100 on that.
You are?
Yeah, I started a swear jar on the last video that I made. I got up to $100 and I went, oh, that's so bad. I gotta stop swearing.
Well, what do you wear it for then?
Hey?
What do you wear it for then?
Cause mate, I made some pretty good videos for that first meet. What did you spill here?
Yeah, yeah.
Nah, I just do like.
That can of cheesecake.
Oh no! Don't forget the cheese. You're right, that sling will take up when he pulls weight anyway.
Yeah.
No, you're right. Alright, Brooksy, come up, it's just slowly, mate. Keep going.
Infield is
Yeah, that's it, mate.
up by the yellow light. Anyone wants to have a look, please?
Perfect day for it, ain't it? You know what? And I thought it was going to be your front left because it was sitting there.
I come out.
Oh, God.
Yeah, we all were thinking that one was coming off. It was bent before I come out. I just couldn't get the in time. We were all waiting for that to fall off.
Really, but fuck me up, mate. Shit myself.
Yeah, good old Biff. Shadow, you alright? Yeah. Hold on, mate. Let me check that front right. Oh, she crooked. Far out. Shit. Far out. Shit.
Red.
Red.
Get the ambos, please.
Come on. Backwards, matey, back. You're right. You're right, mate. You're right. Go check on the 21. Alright, keep that fire extinguisher handy.
Yeah.
Hey. You're right.
You alright?
Yeah, just come over here for now. You're up.
You're right, bro. It's not
Yeah,
close.
no, just come get checked by the medics first.
Is that mine? Yeah, one's on.
Tower, we've got the father of the driver requesting to come out. Yeah, it's okay, all good.
Just shred it, man. Just shred it. Yep, that's him.
Ben's over there, Red. That's right.
Righto.
Yeah, it stinks.
Hey.
Hey, just hang back for a sec, just in case it goes up, eh? Righto, Brooksy, come up on the boom. Hey, TJ,
Hey, not here.
get them two, alright. Sorry, Brooksy, come up on the boom, mate. Come up on the boom.
Not the place.
He got all the drive.
Keep coming up. Alright, just careful, that might go. Hold up, Brooksy, stop, come down. Just let go.
Alright, bar.
Yep.
Don't come down to mid.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, no, I got it.
Yep.
We got the flat, have we got the flat bed?
Yeah, fat bed.
Flat
Okay,
bed.
Brooksy, up on that boom, please, mate.
Yeah,
Yep, keep coming. Okay, hold him there. Is it definitely out of gear? Yep. I think that's it, yeah. Okay, mate, take her away.
We're just going to get temporary feet, so let's get some feet around it.
Yep.
Okay, Dawson, going to get the temporary feet from over at the canteen.
Yeah,
Feet around here.
one lucky cutting disc, it's all I got. Oopsies. Hey? Oh, that's it there, yeah. Yeah. Watch guys there, Nathaniel.
Just so I have to stay out there for now.
You look like you've done that before.
I'm all angry at myself because I haven't got the guard on it. That's naughty. Yeah. Hey, we got my safeties on, alright? I had to stop a bit of rhubarb on straight to the eyeballs.